Smile, kitty. God, she wants to crawl. It's hard to get your knees up in those pants, eh, babe? Now they won't do it. You're light on me. Look how pretty. Oh, so pretty. What if I do?
It doesn't work.
It's the light. It's so distracting. She's strong though.
Alea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Took her a while. She's here on the hardwood floors now. She goes very carefully over. Sometimes she bumps her head. Bump your head.